Havana, Cuba. A place that feels suspended in time. Not frozen, but still moving in its own rhythm. What's up guys, Jesse here and bienvenidos a Cuba. I'm currently in the capital of Havana and I just got here. Salud. We're in Cuba in 2026, so I'm gonna take you guys with me and I'm sure we're gonna learn something. I'm extremely excited. Walking through Havana isn't about direction, it's about observation.
Muchísimas gracias. Tengas un buen día.
The textures, the colors, the quiet imperfections that give the city its identity.
Hola, mi nombre es Joan.
Mi nombre es Ana.
Vamos a estar hoy ahí con Jesse. Vamos a hacer ahora la cocharrera y espero que le guste.
In Cuba, cooking isn't just about recipes. It's about adapting, using what's available, and keeping traditions alive. Most dishes start with simple ingredients: garlic, onions, peppers, oil, what's known as sofrito. It's the base of a lot of Cuban cooking, and it builds the flavor from the very beginning.
We had a palad, a restaurant,
It's a restaurant.
and she cooked it with these pans.
What is it called?
Chicharritas.
Chicharitas.
Everything is done by hand, step by step. There's no rushing, just patience, technique, and a lot of care in the process.
That was really good.
Perú?
Tostones, right?
Tostones.
No, tostones is squash. Okay. It smells so good, the garlic mixed with
I think for me, this is the best part of the food.
What stood out most wasn't just the food, it was the people. There's a strong sense of pride in what they do and in preserving traditions that have been passed down from generation to generation.
Hope you like it, man.
Muchísimas gracias. Thank you. That's a video.
As the day begins to fade, the city gathers along the Malecón, a seawall that's become something more, a meeting place, a stage, a constant in a city that's always evolving. The light softens, conversations stretch, and for a moment, everything slows. And then there are moments you couldn't plan. A violin playing somewhere in the distance, a bottle of wine passed between hands. Simple, unstructured, but somehow complete.
What's up guys, good morning, Jesse here. It is a new day in Havana, Cuba. I'm gonna be making my way to a place called Viñales, which is the countryside here in Cuba. Guys, I did want to talk about currency here because if you're from US and some other countries, they don't accept cards. So you really need to bring cash. The Cuban peso, they do accept USD. So I really recommend staying organized with your cash because your card's not gonna work. So you're gonna be reliant on cash. So I have these little envelopes I got from the Asian market to just stay organized.
The Hotel Nacional stands as one of Cuba's most enduring landmarks. Built in the 1930s, it has witnessed decades of shifting history, from political figures to cultural icons, a silent observer of a changing world. Beyond Havana, the landscape opens and the pace begins to shift.
What's up guys, Jesse here, and I just made it to Viñales here in Cuba. This place is incredible and let me show you why. Look at this view.
In Viñales, life feels more grounded, more connected to the land. Family homes, open spaces, a quieter, more deliberate way of living. At Casa Crepúsculo, dinner is prepared fresh.
Y Titi se lo dio a...
Moving through the countryside on horseback changes your perspective. You notice more. You move with intention. The land isn't something you pass through. It's something you experience.
Qué linda casa.
Esto es una planta
que es una planta endémica de Pinar del Río. Solamente crece en esta área. Nosotros recolectamos la miel allí en el montaña.
Farms like this reflect a deeper connection to tradition. Tobacco, coffee, local crops, cultivated using methods that have remained largely unchanged, not out of resistance to progress, but out of respect for what works.
Authentic farmer.
Yes.
Yeah. La segunda semilla más pequeña del mundo es el tabaco. I am the fourth generation here in my family. The tobacco process is 1 year Rivas and Vejiques 56 are the best cigars in the world now.
Wow.
Guayabita del Pinar. Inside, now we go to tasting. Here, there is the Montecristo number 4. Because don't have is organic cigar. Eggs and la sustancia.
By the time dinner arrives, it feels earned. Fresh ingredients, shared space, the kind of meal that doesn't need to be complicated to be meaningful. Mornings are quieter here. Coffee, fruit, simplicity. A slow beginning to the day.
What's up guys, Jesse here, back again. I just returned to Havana from Viñales.
Este es un Mercury
Wow.
del año 54.
The classic cars of Cuba are often seen as symbols of the past, but they're very much a part of the present. Maintained through ingenuity, repaired piece by piece, adapted to keep moving forward. It's less about preservation and more about resilience. Old Havana. Music is inseparable from life here. It doesn't wait for an audience. It simply exists. In the streets, in the plazas, in passing moments. It becomes part of the environment. And somehow, it all connects. The history, the rhythm, the people, forming something that can't quite be explained, only experienced.
What's up, guys? Good morning. It's the last day. I'm actually on my way out of Cuba now. Fortunately, I lost power. It seems like, I don't know if it's everywhere. It could be just here where I'm staying, because I do see lights on in some places. If you can see here, there's lights in the city, so it's not completely dark, but there's no light here. Needless to say, hope you enjoyed my video. And most importantly, support Cuba. It's an amazing country with really incredible people, but definitely come support and come to this beautiful island. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. If you like the content, like and subscribe. I need some coffee, 1 second. Until next time.